So let's go into the men's communal bath. There's nobody in there right now, so we can check it out. It's called Hana. Saw the room bath. It's pretty awesome in our room, but is it worth going to the communal one? It depends on the room, I guess. I mean, the one in Hanade 88, the special suite, is pretty awesome. I can't see how it would beat any other onsen on premise. This is pretty large. Many stalls. Pretty impressive though. This is the indoor part. All right. Again, fed straight from the source, not recirculated. That's a lot of abundant spring that's being poured into here. You can see it's overflowing, so it should kind of replenish itself enough that it probably is not chlorinated or filtered. So then we walk outside. We'll come around this way. Again, I can't go to the women's bath to know the difference between the men's and the women's. But this is the outdoor. So you do have nice scenery. Mighty impressive. So at Otogi no Yado Yoneya, there is no private bath that you can rent. You just either have the one in your room or you come here. It is very nice here though. And at about 4 o'clock, which is a little bit after check-in, it's devoid of anyone else here, which is why I can actually do this. All right, awesome. Okay, so the Daiyokujo Rotenburo means open air outdoor baths at Otogi no Yado Yoneya